What's up guys, it's Grayson here from Our Full-Time Adventure, and I'm standing in the same position that I ended the last video in. In this video, we're still doing more renovation stuff. Hope you guys liked the last one. This is renovation part 2. We're going to be cutting a hole through here for the cat's litter box. So through here I'm going to angle grind or cut a hole with the angle grinder through here so the cat's litter box can be out of the way and accessible from exterior storage door, as you can see right there.
Yeah, so this is under the bench. Like, it's the same thing as this, but on this side here.
We are also going to, I'm pretty sure, replace the faucet in this video. Possibly the sink, not quite sure. Just because we are recording and we'll put it together, you might even see a new countertop in this video. But we're going to finish up the cabinets on this side after in this video, and also do the bathroom door. You may even get to see the walls and the backsplash, but we're not sure because we're doing this off the rip. So you'll see what you're going to see. Make sure you're subscribed, and make sure you have the bell on, and make sure you hit the thumbs up. That helps us out a lot. So yeah, we're going to get to this. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you what's going on in here. See that little frame in here? That's about all I can cut out. So I'm going to cut out the entire thing because that's in that corner. So I'm actually going to set the camera up in there so you guys can see what's going on. I'm not going to cut the most perfect square. I'm going to do my best to cut it as perfect as I can, but I'll fix the rest of it with the sander. And as long as the cat can get in and out, I didn't want to make it too big because Oreo will go in there. But I'm going to set the camera up in there so you guys can see what's going on.
I'm going to record Grayson from the outdoor storage. Hi.
What's up guys? So I just thought I was going to go all the way to the top, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm just going to go like about right here. So I'm surprised the fire thing didn't go off because that was making my eyes burn. But as you can see, here's the hole. The idea is to actually cover this all up right here with some edging so the cat doesn't get scratched going through, but she will fit. She is a small cat and her litter box is going to be right on the other side, so it's actually out of the way. We bought a new litter box. So I'm going to take you outside and Ashley's going to show you it.
Alright, so this is the cat box we got. It was literally like $3 or $4 off Amazon.
I think it was like $3.75 or something.
Yeah, we measured it to the right size to fit in here. So I'm super excited to have the litter box out of the way because right now hers is so unnecessarily big and it just takes up so much room. So we're gonna put this in here.
And then between the litter box and the door, since we do put stuff in there, we're gonna put a wall. Not right now, not today, but eventually put a wall so there's still storage and she can't get to all this.
Yeah,
but she has
food's in here.
So
right
she
now.
has a little hangout and she will eat through the box of food. So maybe we'll put a piece of cardboard in there for now. So guys, I used to be very violent with our RV redos. I used to just rip stuff off the walls. I figured that if you pop these things off, I'll show you on this side, you pop these off, there's actually a screw under there. So we popped them off on this side because we're not a fan of these.
At all.
And we're gonna take them off. And so back here there's wood, unfinished, and we came up with a new plan. We're gonna get this kind of wood. Pretty sure this is like pine, or I can tell you exactly what it is. It says right here. Poplar. It's 1/2 inch by 1.5 inch by 3 feet. So 1/2 inch this way. This is how we're gonna finish it now. So it's gonna be like this, not this color.
Then we'll stain it, paint it, we don't know yet.
And also here too, the same thing. And that's gonna be our new thing to hold in our thingy here so we don't have those ugly things. So now, whatever you call those.
I don't know, whatever that is.
We're gonna take them off both sides. We actually just changed the table as well.
This is the one that came with it.
It's the one that came with the RV. The other one was built by the first owner or second owner. I think we are the second owner. So the first owner. But it's too long this way, so we're actually gonna make our own as well. It's gonna go this way a little bit, and it's kind of slanted because I need to replace one of those legs that it goes into, or the holes it goes into.
Down here.
So we're gonna like take this part apart, show you what it looks like, but we're also going to make another clip because we're not sure if it's going to be in this video. So just like a reminder clip, if you know what I'm saying.
So this is our mess that we've got going on out here. Everything's kind of just everywhere, which is expected. So this little, like, what do you call it? It's a curtain, not a curtain.
Privacy thing? Sorry, my hair's a mess. This privacy thing, we're taking it off. It was like 4 screws, and it's gonna come right off.
Because we don't know yet if we're gonna replace it with a curtain, leave it open.
Just this
we don't know yet.
This flushing thing is gonna have to stay. This is gonna go.
Yeah.
In between here is whatever this is, and I don't know what it is. So.
Yeah. All right, so we did the second coat of everything. So as soon as it's dry, we're gonna start putting the hardware on, and then the baseboards on the side. This one's already on. That's the thick one that was covering up that like kind of like awkward spot. So yeah, we painted it all, and we're gonna get ready to put it on. It's probably got about like 30 minutes left. It feels dry, but I don't think it's dry yet because we just finished.
Doing.
We are painting the bathroom door and one of the cabinets. We just did the first coat of white on the walls, and then we're gonna go in and start on the rest of the cabinets doing the tan color.
So I'm gonna show you the walls.
All right, so we've got the first coat on of the cabinets and the walls, and it's coming together. It looks a little bit rough because it's the first coat, but I think so far it's going well. We're going to be painting this step here black, as well as the floor. We're going to paint it black. This is where the table goes, obviously. And then back here, we're also going to paint this black. So, that looks cool. All right, so we did the second coat of everything. So as soon as it's dry, we're going to start putting the hardware on, and then the baseboards on the side. This one's already on. That's the thick one that was covering up that like kind of like awkward spot. So yeah, we painted it all, and we're gonna get ready to put it on. It's probably got about like 30 minutes left. It feels dry, but I don't think it's dry yet because we just finished.
Guys, we're switching out all the lights. As Ashley showed you, we switched out the inside. We will put the link to these lights online. They're 1140s, but these are the new LEDs in my hand. So I'll show you afterwards.
All right, so now we got the outside lights changed, and it definitely makes a difference. I don't think you can even tell I'm watching camera than in person. It's even more, a lot brighter. All right, hey guys, so everything is a mess in here as per usual, but today we're going to be starting with the countertop, and we're going to switch out the faucet. So I'm super excited. I'm going to show you where we're at now. Oh, and we're also, I think, going to do the backsplash. So I'll show you what we're at now, and then we'll get started. All right, so we've got the whole left side is painted, the right side's painted. And this is where we're going to be doing the backsplash, and this is what we've gone with for the countertop. Super pretty. I'm excited. And then we're changing out the faucet. We still don't know about the sink yet. We may not. But for right now, we're just going to go around it and then decide what we want to do with that. Okay, so we're going to show you the backsplash we went with. It's super cute, like subway tiles, a like nudie pink color. We really like it, and we think it's going to go super well with the countertop that we're doing, and just with the whole like boho-ish vibe. Yeah, I think it's going to be super cute. I think it's going to look great. So we're going to start with that, and we'll show you. Alright, so we took the faucet off, and the one that we have has a hole in the middle. So I think that if we just drill a hole, it will still fit, but that's not the one that we ordered. But anyways, we're starting with the backsplash now, and it looks really good with the tan cabinets. It's coming along pretty good. These peel and stick tiles are so easy to use, and it's taken us maybe like 5 minutes, and we've already done a pretty good amount.
And then there's that line right there, the big one that you're gonna try to follow. Doesn't always come out the best, but we do our best.
Alright, so we're pretty much finished with what we can do for the backsplash for right now. We ordered 2 boxes, which we thought was going to be enough. It's almost enough, but it's not enough. So we're going to end up ordering a couple more sheets or maybe just another box to be safe. Also, we might be putting this in the cargo trailer, so we might end up just ordering more. We haven't decided yet, but I'm just going to show you where it's at right now. So this is what it looks like so far. There's obviously a lot of spots, like I was saying, that are not finished yet. The majority of it's finished, but we got up here that needs some underneath the window, and Grayson's like shaping up the side because it's kind of like going over. But I think it looks super cool. Let us know what you guys think. I think it'll look better when it's done. But I think with the color of the cabinets, it turned out well. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the countertops. Alright, so we've got our peel and stick countertop. I think it's gonna be a little bit of a struggle. These are never really that easy. So I'm going to focus on helping Grayson. But it's gonna look cool once it's done.
Guys, we are here installing the new faucet. I had to pick up some of these 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch OD connections. Basically, I didn't